Have you ever wondered what the richest people in the world do differently? What habits have they adopted that allowed them to escape poverty and achieve billionaire status? In this gripping narrative, I will take you on an epic journey to discover the 12 habits that transformed the lives of 7 of the most successful and wealthy individuals on the planet. Get ready to learn the stories of struggle, perseverance, and triumph that show that these habits are the key to success. Elon Musk, vision and determination. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, wasn't always a billionaire. In fact, Musk grew up in South Africa and faced numerous challenges before moving to the United States. Your first habit is the long-term vision. Since he was young, Musk dreamed of changing the world through technology. This habit allowed him to stay focused and overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Furthermore, Musk's unwavering determination is another of his key habits. Even when SpaceX faced multiple failures and was on the verge of bankruptcy, Musk never gave up. His ability to persevere and move forward despite difficulties was essential to his success. Jeff Bezos, customer obsession and innovation. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, started his empire in a small garage. Today, he is one of the richest people in the world, thanks to 2 essential habits: customer obsession and constant innovation. Bezos always put the customer at the center of all his decisions, which allowed him to create an unparalleled shopping experience. Additionally, Bezos' ability to innovate and adapt to market changes was crucial. Amazon is not only an online store, but also a cloud services platform, an entertainment provider, and much more. This ability to continually reinvent oneself is a habit that distinguishes true leaders. Warren Buffett, discipline and patience. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, attributes his success to 2 fundamental habits: discipline and patience. Buffett is famous for his meticulous approach to investing. Study each company in detail and make informed decisions based on data and analysis. Patience is another crucial habit of Buffett's. Unlike many investors who look for quick profits, Buffett takes a long-term perspective. This approach has allowed him to accumulate impressive wealth over the years, proving that patience truly is a virtue. Oprah Winfrey, gratitude and personal growth. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most influential women in the world, began her life in extreme poverty. However, 2 habits transformed his life: gratitude and personal growth. Winfrey practices gratitude daily, allowing her to remain positive and resilient in the face of challenges. Winfrey's commitment to personal growth has also been critical to her success. She invests in her personal development through reading, meditation, and continuous learning. This habit has allowed her to evolve and adapt throughout her career, always remaining relevant and powerful. Bill Gates, reading and curiosity. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, is an avid reader and eternally curious. 2 key habits that have fueled her success are daily reading and endless curiosity. Gates spends hours each week reading books on a variety of topics, from technology to history to politics. Gates's curiosity has led him to constantly explore new ideas and opportunities. This habit of learning and questioning the status quo allowed him to revolutionize the technology industry and create one of the most valuable companies in the world. Richard Branson, bravery and fun. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, is known for his bold approach and adventurous spirit. 2 habits that have been key to his success are bravery and fun. Branson is not afraid to take risks and face new and unknown challenges. This courage has allowed him to launch numerous companies in diverse industries, from music to aviation. Additionally, Branson firmly believes in the importance of enjoying what you do. Fun is a central component of their business philosophy. This habit of finding joy at work has not only made Virgin an attractive place to work, but has also fueled its creativity and ability to innovate. Mark Zuckerberg, resilience and adaptability. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, has demonstrated incredible resilience and adaptability throughout his career. Since his days at Harvard, Zuckerberg faced numerous challenges, including criticism and controversy. However, their ability to recover and adapt has been critical to their success. Zuckerberg's adaptability has allowed him to evolve Facebook from a simple social network into a multifaceted technology giant. This habit of being willing to continually change and improve has been crucial to staying ahead in an ever-evolving industry. Conclusion: the 12 habits of the 7 richest people in the world not only allowed them to accumulate great fortunes, but also transformed their lives in profound and meaningful ways. From Elon Musk's vision and determination to Mark Zuckerberg's resilience and adaptability, these habits are the true key to your success. If you aspire to achieve great things in your life, consider adopting some of these habits. Who knows? You could be on your way to becoming the next billionaire. The journey begins today.